Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm starting to eat more healthy because the half marathon is coming end of August. So I was in the supermarket and I saw something that looked pink, purple pink, and I was curious what it is, and I like fruit, so I thought I'd give it a try. I bought it. It was pretty expensive. It's like a kilo for like €4, like €3, between 3 and €4 a kilo. Yeah, it's called dragon fruit. The name is Pitaya, and yeah, I'm really curious how it tastes, and yeah, what it is. It's from Asia, but also in South America they have it. I bought it in Gramado, in Brazil, in the south of Brazil. And I'm now going, oh, I hope you see my face. I'm now going to cut it. I read on Google and YouTube that I need to cut it like this. And I'm really curious how it looks like. Yeah, so give it a try. First I will clean it a little bit with water, because I think it's better, and then cut it like this. Last time I cut my finger already, so I'm more careful now. Holy damn. It smells a little bit like a kiwi, and well, it's other than a kiwi, but I got a feeling that it's a little bit like a kiwi. I'm really curious how it tastes. Let's cut it like this. Then they're saying it will lose really easy, like this. And you can eat this like this, I think. But there is a little bit of skin. I will try it. I need to remove the skin, but it tastes like kiwi a little bit, but a little bit more sweet than kiwi. I like it. Fuck. Yeah, I'm not a prince in the kitchen, so I will eat it now. Oh, it's full of vitamin B and vitamin C, so it's good for my health, and I like it. It's a good breakfast to start my day. It's a good breakfast to start my day, and it's a good difference. It's good to take something different than an apple and a banana and yeah, something like that every day. So it's really yeah, gives me a lot of energy, I hope. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and see you next time. Thanks.